Underwriters Laboratories, or all, withdrew its approval for Zinsco electrical panels in 1979. Primary reasons behind this decision stemmed from significant safety concerns identified during UL evaluations. These safety issues included overheating and arcing, loose connections, and defects in the bus bars. Overheating and arcing are serious problems in electrical panels. Overheating occurs when electrical current flows through a conductor with excessive resistance, generating heat. This heat can damage the panel components, including the insulation on wires, leading to short circuits and potentially fires. Arcing, which is the formation of an electrical discharge between two conductors, can also ignite nearby materials and cause significant damage. Loose connections are another major safety concern. When connections are not properly tightened, they can create resistance, leading to overheating and arcing. Loose connections can also cause intermittent power outages and damage to appliances and other electrical equipment. Busbar defects also contributed to the withdrawal of UL approval. Bus bars are the metal strips inside the electrical panel that distribute power to the circuit breakers. Defects in the bus bars, such as cracks or corrosion, can reduce their conductivity and lead to overheating and arcing. In addition to these specific safety issues, Zinsco panels also failed to meet UL overall safety standards for electrical panels. UL standards are designed to ensure that electrical panels are safe to use and will not cause harm to people or property. These standards cover a wide range of requirements, including the materials used in the panel, the design of the components, and the manufacturing process. The panels also had installation issues. UL determined that Zinsco panels were often not installed in accordance with UL standards, further exacerbating the safety concerns. A proper installation can create a number of hazards, such as exposed wires, loose connections, and overloaded circuits. UL does not typically provide specific details about why it withdraws approval for products. This policy is in place to protect the company's reputation and avoid potential legal liabilities. Publicly disclosing the reasons for withdrawing approval could harm the manufacturer's business and lead to lawsuits. The consequences of UL withdrawing approval for Zinsco panels were significant. It meant that Zinsco panels were no longer considered safe for use in electrical systems. Homeowners and businesses with Zinsco panels were advised to have them replaced as soon as possible. Electrical inspectors and electricians became hesitant to work on or inspect homes or businesses with Zinsco panels due to the safety risks involved. Today, Zinsco panels are widely considered unsafe and should not be used in any electrical system. Most electricians will refuse to work on or inspect a home or business with Zinsco panels. If you have Zinsco panels in your home or business, it is strongly recommended to have them replaced immediately by a qualified electrician. Replacing Zinsco panels is essential to ensure the safety of your home or business and to prevent potential electrical hazards. When replacing Zinsco panels, it is important to choose a replacement panel that meets current safety standards and is properly installed by a qualified electrician. It is also advisable to have a thorough electrical inspection performed to identify any other potential electrical hazards in your home or business. Regular electrical inspections can help to detect and prevent electrical problems before they cause serious damage or injury. The electrical panel is a critical component of any electrical system, and it is essential to ensure that it is safe and functioning properly. Neglecting electrical panel maintenance or failing to address safety concerns can have serious consequences. Remember, safety is the most important. If you suspect any kind of electrical problem, contact a professional.